Trends. I'll be giving you my daily analysis for the trading day of March 21st, 2011. And for the Euro US, this is a 4-hour chart. Trend is definitely upwards. Up in this level here, we might get a pullback to some of these moving averages. So if it starts to break down, maybe on the 1-hour chart, you start getting a breakdown, a strong reversal. You might be able to pick up a day movement in negative direction, but the trend is clearly upwards, so you want to stay long on this pair. And here for the Euro Jap, this 4-hour chart again. Price movement is so volatile right now. Any position to the long or short should be closed out after, I don't know, maybe a 50 pip area, because these things can reverse on you so quick. And when you have 3-cent movements, you can be down on your trade in a very, very bad way. And for the pound US, we have a possible channel here. We had a break. This was a very bearish move with the break to the upside. So, we might have another top anywhere in the 163 area. We'll probably be looking for a breakdown to look in for a short. And for the US Jap, massive volatility last week just due to all the events happening over in Japan. G7 over past few days have been causing the Jap to depreciate in value versus all the other majors, so that it doesn't hurt Japan's main export income. So where's this pair going to go from here? If you're going to play this pair, volatility is greatly increased. So again, you're up 50 pips. You got to get out on that one. And for the US WSI, clear downtrend. I really thought that we were going to get a bounce out of here to possibly test this area, the 97 area, for possible high of a channel. That broke, and we came down here. So next thing to do to look for a long opportunity is to have a big movement to the upside here with a long position, and then maybe a stop below one of these closes here if it gets down that far, because you could have a potential short-term bottom through here. So if we see any strong movements to the upside, I'm going to look to go long for a possible medium to short-term trade. And for the US CAD, I don't like this pair, but it's clearly in a long-term downtrend. Last major shorting opportunity was up over here a few days ago. But I'm very bearish on this pair, but I do not trade it. And for the Aussie US, past couple days actually had a nice rally. Still in a bearish momentum, possible wedge forming here. So if you see any weakness, like a strong movement to US dollar buying, then you might want to get into that trade and continue that trend. Maybe even if that trade even comes down to the 97.8 level, you might want to stop that out just for hitting a temporary double bottom. And one of my favorite pairs to watch lately has been the Aussie New Zealand dollar. We had a bearish movement. I thought this was going to maybe come down to 132 as a major extreme level, but I was going to keep following it. Now we've had a break to the upside. We still have some major resistance and this slightly downward sloping trend line. So if we see a break above this trend line in a strong fashion, and maybe my trail stop kicking into a buy signal, I'm looking at probably going long on this, maybe to retest the 138 area, but I'm liking where this price movement's going. Just need that little pop, that little bit of momentum to confirm a buy signal. And thanks for watching Forex Trends. I'll be posting videos daily.